Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2018 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.